I discuss pathophysiology of breast cancer. In previous video, we already told about what is breast cancer and cause and risk factor of breast cancer. So, let's start it about pathophysiology of breast cancer. This is the breast and this is pectoral muscles, ribs and chest wall, lobules, duct. In glandular tissue, there are receptors for hormone like estrogen and progesterone. So, the risk factors are predisposing factors are gender and genetic heredity. Genetic such as BRCA1 and BRCA2 is most important for developing breast cancer, and precipitating factors such as environmental exposure, physical activity and medication which contain estrogen and progesterone. For this factor, breast cancer can occur. So, these factors are called carcinogen. On women exposed of this factor or carcinogen, the breast cell react with this carcinogen. When the breast cell responds with this carcinogen, what happens? The carcinogen damage or change the genetic material of the breast cell. So, when the genetic material is changed or damaged in the breast cell, what happens? It can occur many types of abnormalities. So, for this reason, hyperplasia occur. Hyperplasia means increase in number of cells in the organs or tissue. So, in hyperplasia, the increase in number of breast cell. So, when the hyperplasia occur, it form a recurrent injury, and for this, metaplasia occur. Metaplasia means reversible change in which one adult cell type replaced by another adult cell type. So, here breast cell is replaced by another cell. For this, prolonged injury occur in these cells, and for this mutations occur. And so, when the mutations occur, what happen? Lost p53 genes, and p53 gene is most important gene for developing breast cancer. When the p53 gene function normally, it inhibits tumor development, but when the lost p53 gene, it can causes the breast cancer. So, the apoptosis means one type of cell death in which cell activated the enzyme that destroy the cell own nuclear DNA, nuclear or cytoplasmic protein. But here, what happened? Here happened the loss of apoptosis. That means cell death not occurred. So, when the cell death is not occur or loss of apoptosis, it lead to dysplasia. Dysplasia means abnormal developments of cell within the tissue or organ, and this dysplasia lead to anaplasia. Anaplasia means loss of mature or specialized feature of cell on the tissue as in malignant tumor. So, loss of apoptosis, dysplasia, anaplasia. For this, neoplasia occur. Neoplasia means new uncontrolled growth of cell that is not under physiological condition. So, ultimately, all of this lead to breast carcinoma or breast cancer. How to occur the breast carcinoma? Now I am shortly discuss. When a person is exposed all these risk factor or carcinogen, the breast cell responds with this carcinogen, and for this damage or change the genetic material of these breast cells, and which lead to hyperplasia, and hyperplasia lead to metaplasia. for this cells are severely injured and which lead to loss of PH3 gene. And PH3 gene is most important for developing breast carcinoma because when it functioning normally, it inhibit the tumor development. But when the loss the P53 gene, it leads to loss of apoptosis, dysplasia and anaplasia, and for this neoplasia occur. And when the neoplasia occur, it ultimately lead to breast carcinoma. Okay, I think all guys are understood. Let's move on stage. Now I discuss the stage of the cancer. The most common staging systems for breast cancer is TNM systems. For breast cancer, there are 5 stages. Stage 0 followed by stage 1 to 4. Other the stage 1 to 4 written as a Roman numericals like this. Generally, when the stage number is high, which indicate the cancer is spread more. When we describing the stage of breast cancer, sometimes the physician group them as in situ breast carcinoma, early stage breast carcinoma, locally advanced breast carcinoma, and last metastatic breast carcinoma. Now I will discuss about the physician groups. So about the physicians group, the first stage is in situ breast carcinoma. So what happens in this stage? Cancer are only on duct or lobules where they stand and they have not growth into the nearby breast tissue. It indicates the stage 0. Next stage, early stage of breast carcinoma. What happens in this stage? The tumor is smaller than 5 cm and the cancer has not spread more than 3 lymph nodes. It include stage 1A, 1B and 2A. Next stage is locally advanced breast carcinoma. What happens in this carcinoma? Tumors are larger than 5 cm and the cancer may have spread to the skin, muscle and chest wall. And in this stage, the cancer involves more than 3 lymph nodes. It includes the stage 2B, 3A, 3B and 3C. Inflammatory cancer is also considered the locally advanced breast carcinoma. Stage is metastatic breast carcinoma according to the physicians group. What's happened in this stage? The cancer are spread to other parts of the body like lung, bone, liver, brain. It indicates the stage 4. I will discuss the staging systems according to the TNM systems. So first stage is stage 0. That is also called carcinoma in situ. So what happens in this stage? Either the cancer cells are lining only on the breast duct or in the breast lobules. When the cancer cells are lining of the breast ducts, this is called ductal carcinoma in situ. But when the cancer cells are lining only on the breast lobules, that is called lobular carcinoma in situ. Stage 1. Stage 1 is divided into 2 stages, stage 1A and stage 1B. Now we want to see what happened in stage 1A. In stage 1A, the tumor is 2 cm or smaller. Next, stage 1B. What happened in stage 1B? The tumor growth in the breast cell, and which is 2 semi or smaller, or no tumor can be seen in the breast. And a small number of cancer cells are found in lymph node. But which cancer cells are found in the lymph node that is not larger than 2 semi? So this is all about stage 1 of the breast carcinoma. Next stage is stage 2. It's also divided into 2 stages, stage 2A and stage 2B. Now let's see what happened in stage 2A. Tumor growth into the breast cell, and this tumors is 2 semi and smaller, or no tumor can be seen in the breast, and the cancer cell are found in 1 to 3 lymph node under the arm. That's mean axillary lymph node. And cancer cells are also found in the lymph node inside the chest around the breastbone. That's mean internal mammary lymph node, or in both areas. And sometimes tumor is larger than 2 semi but not more than 5 semi. Now I gonna talk about stage 2B. What happened in this stage? Tumor growth in the breast cells, and this tumor is larger than 2 semi and not more than 5 semi. And the cancer cell also found in axillary lymph node 1 to 3 and 1 to 3 internal mammary lymph nodes. Sometimes the tumor cells are larger than 5 semi in this 2B stage. So all guys are clear about this stage 2. Now I talk about stage 3. Stage 3 is divided into 3 stages. Stage 3A, stage 3B and stage 3C. Now let's see what happened in stage 3A. The tumor is 5 semi or smaller, or no tumor can be seen in the breast. The cancer cells are found in 4 to 9 axillary lymph nodes, or in the 4 to 9 internal mammary lymph nodes. This cancer also spread to 1 to 9 axillary lymph node or the internal mammary lymph node, or it may be spread to 1 to 3 axillary lymph node or internal mammary lymph nodes. Next, stage 3B. What happened in 3B? The cancer has grown in the muscles of breast wall or skin or both, and cancer may be also spread to 1 to 9 axillary lymph node or internal mammary lymph node. It may also spread to 1 to 3 axillary lymph node or internal mammary lymph nodes. Stage 3 is also called as a inflammatory breast cancer. Now talk about stage 3C. What happened in stage 3C? The cancer has spread 10 or more than axillary lymph node, or the lymph nodes below the collarbone, that is intraclavicular lymph nodes. I think all are understood about stage 3. So now moves on stage 4. What happened in stage 4? The cancer has spread to other part of the body such as bone, liver, lungs and brain. It's also called as a metastatic breast cancer. It is all about the staging systems of the breast cancer according to the TNM systems. I think all guys are understood easily.